The shorts came out today. Nice trades on Active Trader 2019. This was also a strategy trade in Active Trader 2020, which was the update. We had a long trade carry over. I'm going to go back and back adjust this. This also worked in our favor in gap continuation 2019. And so this strategy will have an exit here. It's supposed to be a day trade exit. I'm going to go back and back adjust this. And so this loss will disappear of minus 525, but also this gain of plus 2215 will be back adjusted to exit here. I sent out an email on Friday on how to adjust your day trades for the early close for strategies that don't have the don't trade on holidays function in it. And so I'm going to go back and back adjust these so they don't show up as gains in the portfolio that would not have been achieved based on the instructions that I sent out. So there'll be this trade of plus 2200 and a trade of minus 525 will be removed. There'll be some gains on both of these actually though. So the short trade will show some profit and the long trade on the mirror will show some profit, but it'll show some profit because it'll exit up here. Or it won't even trade on this day. So it may not even trade on this day, and gap continuation actually probably won't even trade on this day. Once we have the don't trade on holidays function, these trades won't even appear. So it'll be a minus, it'll remove plus 1700 in gains that would have been there. So these trades that you see here will not be there once that adjustment is made. You'll get the updates as well. 60-minute breakout, that was a losing trade on the day, minus 237.50. Market didn't fall through, it sold off. Active Trader, we already went over this, going over all the active strategies today. Plus 975. Cobra 3 lost. Market sold off into Europe. The Europe closed, and then the market makers came in and held it up. It filled this gap though. So you see this gap, this breakaway gap from this was last weekend or the weekend of November 22nd. And then there was a gap up and it came back and filled this gap. So we'll see what happens. I would have anticipated some more free market selling instead of this market maker propping that happened. So potentially look for these lows to be taken out in the NASDAQ and a pretty strong downtrend. So we'll see what happens to this. We had some manufacturing news that was negative, but surprised to see a big sell-off like that. One of the things that made me anticipate this was Friday's price action in gold and crude oil. Crude oil sold off, and the stocks usually sell off with crude oil, and they did not on Friday. And then gold went up, and gold usually works counter trend to stocks, and stocks did not sell off. So there was a thought in my mind that this could be a good short trade today. A good day to short strategies, and so several of our strategies did. Active Trader 2019 stock index swing captured 475, hit its profit target quick on 115-minute bar, and it was done for the day. Cobra 3 did lose because of the counter trend rally, and these two trades will be removed. And those are the trades in the stock index portfolio. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 2 of these will be removed, and so there'll only be 4 trades that show up, 2 winners and 2 losers. Overall, a net profitable day once you add the stock index swing in Q, Active Trader 2019. On the plus side and on the downside, Cobra 3 and 60-minute breakout. Overall, a net profitable day after all of those trades. So good trading.